If you're experiencing high ping while playing Baldur's Gate 3, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help calibrate your connection for better performance. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use a reliable speed test website to measure your internet speed. Ensure that your download and upload speeds meet the recommended requirements for online gaming. Step 2. Optimize your network. Make sure your router is positioned in an optimal location, away from obstructions. If possible, connect your gaming device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background that may consume bandwidth. This can help free up resources for your gaming session. Step 4. Change server region. In the game settings, check if you can change the server region. Selecting a server closer to your geographical location can reduce ping and improve your connection quality. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer solutions to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your time in Baldur's Gate 3.